Hello YouTube, Blue CFL here. I have an unboxing video this week for Fire Alarm Friday. I have two packages that came in, one in an envelope and another in a 6x6x4 box. I already removed the tape on the bottom of this box, so I'll open that first. Inside this box I have another box. And inside this box is an Amseco or an Amseco, however you pronounce it, FSL1-1 electronic sounder with strobe and adapter plate. And since the box is partially open, I'll open that as well and show you the alarm itself. Oh, look at that. It's got fire decals to go on the strobe. The strobe is obviously blank. And there'll be more of that alarm in the future. Put it on top of the 2001 so I have a little more room to cut this envelope open. I don't know who that is. I'll get to them in a second. That should be enough. Tracking information, to get personal information on it. You are not going to see that. What you are going to see is this thing. It's an Amseco or Amseco FS2-1 electronic sounder. No strobe, but it also has an adapter plate. It can be surface or flush mounted. You've maybe seen this in one of Miniman 0404's videos. It has a nice slow whoop sounding tone to it, or not so nice if you're not really a fan of it. It's got a fire sticker that goes in the center. Since it doesn't have a strobe, it doesn't have those decals. Anyway, that's what I have. These look very similar with the exception of the strobe. And what I'm told that they do sound different, but I haven't tested it out, so I can't say for sure. But like I said, I'll have a video of these in the near future, so we'll figure out what they sound like. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next week.